this is the final look and I am loving this big, full, voluminous, wavy hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so just a quick review and my initial thoughts on the hair so far. So I received 4 bundles of the Brazilian Loose Deep Wavy from West Kiss Hair. I got the lengths 224s, 222s and a 20-inch frontal. Straight out of the pack, the bundles were beautiful. The curl pattern was gorgeous, and I thought to myself, if I can maintain this curl pattern, it would be like the perfect curls. So actually when I made the wig, I haven't actually washed it yet because I wanted to wear it with the curl pattern that came straight out of the package. And yeah, as you can see, it's beautiful. Okay, so with the frontal, I found the lace was a little light. Now I haven't bleached my knots yet because like I said, I wanted to wear the hair straight out of the pack. And you know, once you wash the hair, the curl pattern often does change. So I haven't bleached the knots yet because I'd have to wash obviously the frontal and then also the bundles. So yeah, the lace is a little bit light, but other than that, as you saw, it had some really long baby hairs. Wasn't too keen on that. It was pre-plucked at the front, so I didn't really have to do much, but like you saw, you know, cut a bit of baby hairs just to kind of conceal the lace a bit because it is a little light. You also saw that, you know, I put some eyeshadow on the back of the frontal just to kind of get rid of those knots a bit because I haven't bleached the knots. But yeah, I think I made it work. The other thing about the frontal, as you can see, the curl pattern doesn't go straight from the roots. It's a little bit straighter here, then it goes into the loose, deep, wavy pattern. Yeah, I'm not too sure how I feel about that, but I think it works, you know, for the side part that I've got right now. In terms of shedding, it's just been minimal shedding. The regular type of shedding I get when I'm making a wig, nothing over the top. So far no tangling, but I haven't really like detangled or finger combed because I want to maintain the curls, so I'll have to update you guys on that later. Now, as you also saw, I used the Got To Be Blasting Free Spray to put my frontal down. It's so much easier and so less messy than the glue. I literally just sprayed on the perimeter, put it down, put the headband, you know, leave it for a couple of minutes and it literally holds. And this stuff is so strong, it will not budge. Like when I'm taking it off, I gotta spray the water to loosen it before I can actually take it off. So the hold on that is so much better, I think, than the Got To Be gel. So yeah, I'm loving that. So yeah, other than that, there's not much else to say. You know, I've just installed the hair. I will definitely come back to you guys with an update on how the hair is going, and also after I you know, wash the hair to see how the curl pattern changes, so you know what you'll be working with if you do purchase these bundles. But yeah, loving it so far. Let me know what you guys think of this texture, the hair. Does it suit me? I do like curly hair, but I don't like really tight curly hair because I don't think it suits me as much. So I think this loose deep wave works really well for me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Leave any questions down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.